What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. And for today's video, we are at a very special place in the Philippines. And no, I am not at home or in any forest like trees. This is a special place called Laguna Santa Maria, a mountain range full of exciting new discoveries. Like, look at this. Is that not exciting? That's a literal mountain. A literal mountain. Now, we did see a couple of mountains up close earlier, but I'll send you guys the picture on my community post. Now, on to why we're here. It's a special project for my church, or MCGI, Members Church of God International. And this project is for visiting the elderly in this elder and senior citizen homes called Kasangkapan Foundations Incorporation property of MCGI. And I mean, look at this place, guys. This is cool. It's a building, and there's another one, and another one. Basically, the definition of this place, you put it into definition: building people, building old people. That's it. Now, we're not alone. Yes, we have a couple other members with us, but here are my mga kasama ko. So for them, I am going to speak Tagalog. So yeah, ganito na. Ito na ang Tagalog ko, guys. Now, let us go to the one of our members. Brother Senyo. Para po sa YouTube channel ko to. Tapos si Brother Arsenio, member po siya ng Church of God International, or CGI. Kasama ko po siya sa journey natin mula Malabon hanggang sa Laguna dito, Santa Maria. Ngayon, Brother Arsenio, ano po yung feeling niyo na makatulong sa mga elderly,
Masarap. Iba yung kasarapan na nararamdaman ko. Kahit pagod, nawawala yung pagod. Talagang masarap. Ha? At ako'y papalap, ako'y magluluto na.
Sige ba, Brother Arsenio? Salamat sa Diyos. That is one of our members, guys. I just hope there are Filipino subtitles for this. So, we're gonna try to find another member for our video. He is a special guest, of course, featured guest. Now, let's find another member. Let's see. Brother Patrick, our local servant. We are going to speak Tagalog with every single one of our members, guys. Patrick. Tapos sa YouTube channel ko po ito, may filming ko.
Okay,
Papos ka po.
Sige.
Brother Patrick, ano po yung naramdaman niyo sa mga pagtulong sa pagdating niyo po dito Malabon hanggang dito sa Laguna? Ano po yung naramdaman niyo na ngayon na nakadating na po tayo after a long journey?
Unang-una sa lahat ay pinagpapasalamat po natin sa Diyos yung tayo po ay makarating dito dahil sa kanyang pag-iingat. At syempre, utos ng Biblia yon na sa banal na kasulatan na yung pagdalaw sa mga ulila at babaeng bao ay tanda ng ng tunay at dalisay na relihiyon. Kagaya ng nakasulat sa Santiago 1:27, ang dalisay na relihiyon at walang dungi sa harap ng Diyos ay ito: dalawin ang ulila at ang mga babaeng bao sa kanilang mga kapighatian, at pag-ingatang walang dungis ang kanilang sarili sa sanlibutan. Kaya yun po ang ating pinanghahawakang salita ng Diyos, kung kaya't kahit mapagod, kahit mahirapan, masasaya kami yung mga kapatid na nandirito na ipadama sa ating mga orphans, mga kapatid na orphans dito sa lugar ng
Laguna.
Laguna no? Napakasaya sa damdamin, masarap sa pakiramdam. At yung mga kapatid, makikita mo yung kanilang kasiyahan, hindi lamang sa nakarating dito, kundi masaya ang kalooban sa pagtulong sa ating mga kapwa.
Salamat sa Diyos, Brad
Salamat sa
Patrick.
Diyos.
Salamat sa Diyos, Brad Patrick. Now, he is another one of our featured guests. He is actually our local servant. He is the one that kind of leads our local. Now, our local of Tugatog, Malabon, is one of many. And these locals are scattered all across over the world. So, this is an invitation to you, my followers, my subscribers, any one of you that knows me. Maybe one of my friends out there. Now, I am asking you to please join our church and help other people, not just yourself. Now, let's go explore. Alright. Start alright. Hello, Brad.
Dito na ako sa pagkain.
Now. Nag-record pa kami ha. Nag-record pa ako, wait lang. Nag-record pa ako, wait lang. Now that is all I can show you because I cannot go in any more farther since my mom and dad are here and I can't go any farther. I'm only 11, guys. Here's my dad teaching the choir.
Kaibigan.
Ano ko ba gusto mo medley?
Wow. YouTube channel ko to ah.
807.
807.
Kayo.
Ano po, dapat pagkasundan natin.
Oo nga eh. Meron kayo nun ha? -1.
Now, guys, this is my daily reminder for you guys to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment down below what I should do next on a future video, and share this video with a friend. Now, let's go. So, yes, the video is coming close to an end. But that's okay, right? I mean, come on. We can still make another part 2 something. I'm just gonna keep exploring. I already showed you guys this part. Wait, I think that's it. That's actually it. That's the whole building. That's the whole thing. That's the whole building. No, I actually forgot. We have 3 guests today for today's video. And this is going to be our 3rd guest for today. Later actually. We'll get it later since he is speaking with somebody else right now, so we don't want to interrupt him. Yeah, that's it. There's nothing else to explore around here. I just showed you all the parts. Well, I'm gonna cut this and I'll get back to you. When we get back though, yes, we will be speaking with our 3rd special guest for today's video. So yeah.
Dapat may mga ganon.
Sama-samang humahawit kahit pinagpala ng Ama sa langit. Kabutihan niya pagmamalasakit sa ating